Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Charge the Bose above half and power it on so radios initialize quickly. Once done, press and hold the speaker's Bluetooth button until the LED blinks blue. This forces pairing mode so the iPhone can discover it. Meanwhile, unlock your iPhone and open Settings, then Bluetooth. Keep the screen active so iOS continues scanning. You do this because Bluetooth discovery times out. Staying on the Bluetooth page ensures you'll see the SoundLink Max appear immediately. Now focus on the iPhone. When you see Bose SoundLink Max under other devices, tap it to initiate the handshake. You'll often hear a confirmation tone from the speaker and see the status change to connected. This confirms successful link and audio routing. If iOS asks for confirmation, accept. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000. Most modern Bose models don't need it. Make sure to keep the devices within a few meters and avoid wireless congestion during this exchange. Finish by opening Control Center and confirming audio output is set to your SoundLink Max. Then play a test track to verify left/right balance and volume control. If audio doesn't route, go to Settings, right arrow Bluetooth, tap the eye icon, choose Forget this device, then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles. As a quick hardware reset, power the speaker off. Hold Bluetooth and power simultaneously for several seconds to reset Bluetooth. This often clears persistent pairing issues and restores normal discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.